Good morning, friends. I am Chandresh Kumar, and I am sharing you a beautiful concept the ASBI model. Already, I have explained in my previous video. Now, in this video, I'm gonna tell you what are the basic difference between the different quadrants of the people. Okay, so I'll start. So keep watching, stay tuned, and see until the last. So let's start, guys. So here, I already explained there are four quadrants: E, S, B, and I, right? So these are the quadrants. Now, what are the basic difference between these four quadrants? If I consider these two quadrants as left side of the quadrant and these quadrants as the right side of the quadrant, right? So what are the difference between these two categories? So basic difference is first, if I consider 100% world population, then what do you think that how much percent of the population falls under left side of the people of the quadrant? The people who belong to employee and self-employed. So as per the Robert T. Kiyosaki, it is actually 97%. I mean, 97% of the people of the world population falls under these two category, and only 3% of the world population fall under big businessman and investor category. Now, if I talk about 100% world wealth, right? So, what do you think that how much wealth this 97% of the population can have, right? And you will be amazed to hear that. Okay, you will be wondered to hear that 97% of world population occupies only 3% of world wealth, whereas these 3% of the world population have 97% of the world wealth. Now the question is, why this huge difference? 97% of population have only 3% of the world wealth, whereas 3% of the people of world population, okay, have only 90 have more than three. I mean 97% of the world population. Sorry, 97% of the world wealth. Right now, why this is? Why this is the huge difference in the both the type of the quadrant? If I consider E and S quadrant as the left side of the quadrant, and the people who are in the right side of the quadrant, right? Now, the first difference is in their mindset, right? This is all about the mindset. The first difference is the left side of the people, okay? They always think about the security. They think the job is secure and small scale business is secure. But you know what happened in this corona situation? People have already lost their jobs, and the small scale business are completely shut down, right? So there is no security at all. But people fail to understand that there is security. Okay. And the first difference is the right side of the people always think about the freedom. And this freedom is nothing but freedom related to time as well as money. So their thought process is always to become to live a freedom life. The freedom comes with the time and money. Now, the second difference. The second difference is the people who are in the left side of the quadrant, okay, works for money. Works for money. But the people who are in the right side of the quadrant, for them, money works. I mean, money works for them. It means they always believe to create wealth. They always believe to create wealth. They always think to create wealth, right? By earning money, you can become rich. Okay, becoming rich and becoming wealthiest is both are different things, right? How I'll explain. Okay, If you are rich, there is a chance to become poor. But if you are wealthiest, you cannot be poor. So that is the difference, right? Because the wealth will always increase, always increase. It will never be less, right? The third difference is the people who are in the left side of the quadrant, okay, they always works with instant gratification. Okay, the right side of the people always works with delayed gratification. Right. So the question is, what is the instant gratification and what is delayed gratification? Instant gratification is means when I work for a month, I need immediate payment. I mean, I need a payment, okay, just after a month, right? I'll be not happy or I'll be not satisfied if my employer will give me salary after 1 year, because my monthly EMIs are there, my monthly expenses are there, everything is monthly. So I need money every month. I'm not okay if I get money after 1 year, after 2 years, right? That is the instant gratification. Okay. Delayed gratification is something if it is taking much time, if the business is taking time for 1 year, for 2 year, or for 5 years, then also I'm okay for that, because business always works with delayed gratification. It will not give you result immediately, but it will give you result after some time. It may take time, but yes, this is all about delayed gratification. Businessman will always be ready for delayed gratification. He knows, yes, it will take time, but once it is built, it is gonna become very big, right? The fourth difference is people who are in the left side of the quadrant, they trade their time. Suppose I'm working as an employee for some firm, okay? So I'm putting my time, okay, to generate their revenues. My owner of the my employer or the owner of the company is getting benefited. But just think about the owner, okay? Owner is taking all of us time, okay, time from all of us, and he's making time for himself. So basically, he is leveraging the time, okay, leveraging the time. So this time leveraging concept is very, very powerful. The people who are big businessmen or investors are the people who are leveraging their time. Basically, these are the people who are leveraging their time, okay, and these are the people who have abundance of money. The fifth difference is people of the left side of the quadrant think how, what. The question will be what to do, how to do. That's it. But the people who are in the right side of the quadrant, they always think of why. Why to do that? Why it is needed to do that? क्यों करना जरूरी है, right? But एक employee का हमेशा क्वेश्चन होता है क्या करना है, कैसे करना. That's it. He has to complete his work. For that work, he has to get paid. Right? So these are the basic difference, okay, which categorize this 97% of the people and this 6% of the people, right? So I think you are very clear with this ESBI quadrant and what are the thought process these people carry and these people carry, right? So I hope you are very clear on this part. Thank you.